Sentence making with occasionally in English. I occasionally read books before bed. I occasionally read books before bed. We occasionally have pizza for dinner. We occasionally have pizza for dinner. My family occasionally goes on vacation. My family occasionally goes on vacation. The train occasionally runs late. The train occasionally runs late. I occasionally watch cartoons on TV. I occasionally watch cartoons on TV. The dog occasionally barks at strangers. The dog occasionally barks at strangers. My mom occasionally bakes cookies for us. My mom occasionally bakes cookies for us. I occasionally go to the gym to exercise. I occasionally go to the gym to exercise. My family occasionally goes to the movies. My family occasionally goes to the movies. I occasionally help my dad with gardening. I occasionally help my dad with gardening. She occasionally forgets her keys at home. She occasionally forgets her keys at home. My brother occasionally sings in the shower. My brother occasionally sings in the shower. I occasionally get nervous before a big test. I occasionally get nervous before a big test. She occasionally drinks coffee in the morning. She occasionally drinks coffee in the morning. The cat occasionally scratches the furniture. The cat occasionally scratches the furniture. I occasionally see my grandparents on holidays. I occasionally see my grandparents on holidays. To watch more videos, subscribe our Pep English channel.